Fishing is more than just a hobby. It's a timeless pursuit that connects us with nature, tests our skills, and offers endless adventure. Whether you're just starting out or have years of experience, knowing the many types of fishing can help you unlock new experiences and reel in bigger catches. In this guide, we'll explore the top 10 types of fishing every angler should know. By the end, you'll not only broaden your horizons, but also discover which style might be the next to add to your fishing bucket list. Let's cast off with number 10, fly fishing. Synonymous with tranquil rivers and artistic skill, fly fishing is all about mimicking the delicate movements of insects on the water's surface. Anglers use lightweight rods and specialized artificial flies, often hand-tied from feathers and thread, to entice fish like trout, salmon, and even bass. Fly fishing requires patience, precision, and a keen eye for reading water currents. While it's often associated with mountain streams, fly fishing can be practiced in lakes, rivers, and even saltwater environments. For those seeking a meditative and challenging fishing experience, fly fishing is a must-try. Coming in at number 9 is spinning. Spinning is perhaps the most popular and versatile style of fishing, ideal for beginners and seasoned anglers alike. Using a spinning rod and reel, you cast lures or bait with ease, targeting a wide variety of species, from freshwater bass and pike to saltwater mackerel and snapper. The spinning setup is user-friendly and adaptable, making it perfect for everything from shoreline fishing to boat expeditions. If you're looking for a reliable technique to catch fish in almost any environment, spinning is your go-to option. At number 8, we have bait casting. Bait casting is a favorite among serious anglers seeking accuracy and control, especially when targeting larger or feistier fish. The bait casting reel sits on top of the rod, allowing precise placement of heavier lures or bait. It's ideal for catching bass, muskie, and pike in freshwater, as well as redfish and snook in saltwater. While bait casting has a steeper learning curve, especially when it comes to managing line tangles, known as backlash, the payoff is unmatched casting precision and the ability to handle trophy-sized catches. Number 7 brings us to surf fishing. Picture yourself casting into the rolling waves from a sandy shoreline, feeling the power of the ocean as you wait for a strike. Surf fishing is a unique way to target saltwater species like striped bass, bluefish, red drum, and even sharks, right from the beach. Surf fishing requires longer rods, heavy sinkers, and strong lines to tackle the surf and reach distant schools of fish. With the right gear and a little know-how, surf fishing can be both relaxing and rewarding, offering a taste of adventure along the coast. Next up, at number 6, is ice fishing. When lakes freeze over, a whole new world of fishing opens up. Ice fishing involves drilling holes in the ice and dropping lines to catch fish such as walleye, perch, and northern pike. Anglers often set up shelters or cozy ice shanties to stay warm while they wait for a bite. Ice fishing is as much about camaraderie and enjoying the winter landscape as it is about the catch. It's vital to follow safety guidelines and use specialized gear, but for those willing to brave the cold, ice fishing delivers a unique and unforgettable experience. Sliding in at number 5 is trolling. Trolling is a dynamic fishing method where lines with baited hooks or lures are drawn through the water as a boat moves slowly forward. This technique covers large areas and is especially effective for catching species like salmon, walleye, and tuna. Trolling allows you to present your bait at different depths, making it ideal for both freshwater and saltwater fishing. With the help of specialized downriggers and sonar technology, trolling can lead to big rewards and exciting battles with powerful fish. At number 4, we have deep sea fishing. If you're dreaming of monster fish and epic ocean adventures, deep sea fishing is the way to go. Venturing miles offshore, anglers target giants such as marlin, sailfish, tuna, and swordfish. Deep-sea fishing requires sturdy boats, heavy-duty rods, and reels capable of handling massive fish and powerful currents. This is the ultimate test of strength and endurance, offering heart-pounding action and the chance to land a once-in-a-lifetime catch. For thrill seekers and those who love the open ocean, deep-sea fishing is an experience like no other. Number 3 introduces us to fly casting in saltwater. While fly fishing is often associated with freshwater streams, saltwater fly casting opens up a whole new set of challenges and rewards. Anglers use larger, more robust flies and rods to target species like bonefish, tarpon, and permit in coastal flats, estuaries, and mangroves. Saltwater fly fishing demands quick reflexes and precise casting, especially when stalking wary fish in shallow waters. It's a blend of artistry and adventure, perfect for those looking to take their skills to the next level. Coming in at number 2 is kayak fishing. Kayak fishing combines the thrill of paddling with the excitement of angling. Lightweight, maneuverable, and stealthy, kayaks allow you to reach secluded spots where larger boats can't go. Whether you're chasing bass on a quiet lake or redfish in coastal marshes, kayak fishing offers a closer connection to the water and the environment. It's eco-friendly, affordable, and provides an incredible workout. For anglers who crave independence and exploration, kayak fishing is a fantastic choice. And finally, at number 1, we have freshwater bank fishing. Sometimes the simplest methods are the most rewarding. Bank fishing, casting your line from the shore of a river, lake, or pond, remains one of the most accessible and enjoyable ways to fish. With minimal gear, anglers can catch a wide range of species, from bluegill and catfish to bass and carp. Bank fishing is perfect for families, solo adventurers, and anyone who wants to unwind and appreciate the outdoors. All you need is a rod, bait, and a good spot along the water's edge. Whether you're drawn to the artistry of fly fishing, the adrenaline of deep-sea battles, or the peacefulness of casting from the shore, there's a fishing style to match every angler's passion. Trying different types helps you develop new skills, discover diverse habitats, and enjoy unforgettable moments with friends and family. Remember, each fishing method has its own techniques, regulations, and best practices. Always respect local laws, practice ethical catch and release when appropriate, and cherish our precious waterways. So which of these top 10 types of fishing will you try next? Whether you're a seasoned pro or just dipping your toes in for the first time, the world of fishing is full of endless possibilities, tight lines, and happy fishing.